guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm just doing a very quick unboxing for y'all today. I just received another Lily Jade order and I got a wallet as well as a Navy Cailin. So I just want to show you guys what it looks like straight out of the box and the bag and what I think of it straight away. So before I start, I just want to mention that all of these bags that I do review, I buy myself. I don't get them sent by any of the companies. So as you can probably tell by my reviews, all my opinions and all my reviews on it are very much my own. So just in case you guys were wondering, because I do tend to have a lot of bags, I did sell a lot to get this Cailin. So I am one of those de-stash to restash people, which I, will embrace. So this is how the wallet comes, just in a plastic packaging right here. And then it also comes in a little dust bag, which I think is really cool. I love it when they send leather wallets in dust bags because it's really nice to store them. I have a couple that have dust bags, which is really nice. It's got Lily Jade on the front here. It's got a drawstring on the dust bag, and I got the Brandy and Gold, and oh my gosh, isn't that pretty? I just think that's so pretty. So I actually really love the gold with the Brandy. I think it suits it. It's a very warm toned kind of color combination. So you've got your little plastic wrap on the leather tab. Oh, the zippers are so nice and smooth. The jade inside here. So I will do a review on this wallet because I haven't really seen any actually on the wallets yet. And the lining is very smooth, just like on the bags. You've got a gold hardware on the zipper pull here, which is really nice. So this zipper actually comes across and down on the side here, and I'm guessing this is where you would put the notes and coins. So I guess you maybe put notes on one side and coins on the other. That's what I'm guessing that this design is, this design is for. So you just kind of close it like that. You've got this typical 6 slots on one side, 6 on the other, and then the slots behind here. So I do have several leather wallets, so I'm curious to see how this will compare quality wise, durability wise. You do have the slip pocket at the back here, and the zipper is nice and smooth. It doesn't tend to, it doesn't look like it's some catch. So I guess I'll give this one a go over the weekend and let you guys know what I think maybe on Monday or so. Okay, so let's go to the main event. So this is the Navy Cailin. So I actually am selling my Navy Megan mainly because I found it quite heavy, and it's a beautiful, beautiful bag, and it's going to another Australian mum who is so excited to get her first Lily Jade, and she loves the Navy Megan. So I wanted to get another Navy bag, so I decided to go with the Cailin. Never had the nylon bags from Lily Jade, so I'm very curious on how this is going to be. So it comes in the dust bag, of course. And this is supposed to be quite a big bag, so you've got the paper in the inside as well. Okay, so here it is here, and oh my gosh, it's so pretty. And the leather is so nice, wow. And it's quite large. I was a little bit skeptical about this curve here, but my husband did point out that it's designed because it goes under your arm. So let me just take off all the little wrappers real quick. Packaging and everything off the bag, and here it is here. Let's see. Oh, it's nice. It's a nice weight. I really do like that. So you do get, of course, the tassel, and this has gold hardware with the navy, which is quite nice. So you've got your leather here with the crisscross design, and I'll take the packaging out here, and you've got the khaki lining, which I actually really like the khaki color with the navy. I think it looks really, really nice. You've got some pockets here on either side. The back, you've got your D-rings to put it into backpack mode, and a zipper here. Now this is a nylon zipper, and I'm kind of disappointed they didn't put a metal zipper on here, but it might be because of the nylon material. I'm not sure, but you do have the gold zipper pull here and the leather tab, but a nylon zipper. And this zipper compartment is very short, so I'm not sure what I'm going to put in there for now, but it's still quite nice. You've got the gold swivel little rings on the top for the handle. Handle looks like a nice drop length. So this is just initial thoughts for me. A nice zipper. This I thought might be a little bit longer, but I'm guessing, you know, opens up nice and wide. It's got the insert here, the change pad, the car key insert, and there's the inside here. Opens up quite wide. I don't know. Thought it might be wider. Anyways, so that is the Cailin. We've also got the navy messenger strap to make it into backpack. So I will do another in-depth review and packing video on this, but I just wanted to give you guys my first impressions about it. So yeah, so that's pretty cool. All right guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.